Good day, guys. This is a special request from a good friend of ours. Shout out to you, Vicky. This one is a special fried rice, or call it as you may, Yang Chow fried rice or Chao Fan fried rice. Special fried rice, I call it. I'll be using Chinese style pork sausages. I just cut it to dice. Prawns, onion, garlic, and this one is the paste and corn. Day-old rice. I'll be using a long grain rice. This one's from yesterday. And 2 eggs. Let's start with the eggs first. I'll scramble them. Now we'll just set it aside. So we'll start with a hot pan. Get some oil there. We'll just fry up our ingredients first. We'll start with the onions. Garlic. I'll put in the Chinese sausage. And then we'll put in the prawns. Add some salt. We're just waiting for the prawns to cook. Prawns is nearly cooked. Then we'll just put it aside. Then we'll still carry over cooking. Just add a bit more oil. Then we'll cook our eggs. Right? So at this stage, I'm not totally cooking the eggs. I'll put in our rice already. And then cook. Season with salt. Put back our prawns and Chinese sausage and our veggies. Let it cook. Now I'm using a liquid seasoning just to season the rice, give it some color. But you can use soy sauce as well. There you go. This one is our special fried rice. Quick and easy. You can use all your leftover stuff from the fridge. If you got chicken, you can surely add them. Enjoy! Paalam!